Welcome to our guided meditation. As you settle into this moment, allow the soothing music to envelop you. Take a deep breath in, hold it for a moment, and exhale slowly. With each breath, feel yourself sinking deeper into relaxation. Let the rhythm of the music guide your breathing. Inhale tranquility, exhale any worries. Feel the harmony between the music and your breath. Pay attention to the sensations in your body. Notice the areas of comfort and the areas seeking release. Breathe into those spaces, and as you breathe out, let go of any discomfort. Pay attention to the sensations in your body. With the music as your companion, journey within. Explore the space of your inner self, a sanctuary of peace. Let the music's melody carry you deeper. In the stillness that follows, be present with the music. Allow it to be the only thing that exists for you right now. Be here in this space of musical serenity. Reflect on the music's healing properties. How does it make you feel? Embrace these feelings and let them fill you with calm and contentment. As the meditation draws to a close, take a moment to express gratitude for the music, for this time of peace, for your breath, and for being here. When you're ready, gently bring your awareness back to the room. Open your eyes when you feel comfortable. Carry this sense of calm and focus with you as you move through your day.